This is a quick look at the Milwaukee grinding kit, which includes 2880-20. That's the M18 Fuel 4.5 inch / 5 inch grinder. Has a brushless motor and comes with a 5 inch Type 27 guard as well as a 5 inch Type 1 guard. And the convenient thing about it is the Type 1 guard just slides right over the 27. So you don't need to swap out guards. The guard lock provides for quick and easy guard adjustments. And this is the paddle switch version of the tool. There's also a switched version which has a switch on top. That's model 2881-20. Also has a dust screen to prevent debris from getting into the vents. You just pop it off and clean it out. Anti-vibration handle has 2 positions, here or here. And this particular model does not have a position on the top for the handle, but of the grinders I've used that actually have it, I actually never use it. Spanner wrench, manual, and the kit includes 2 XC6 high output batteries. That's awesome. Rapid charger, and the fuel contractor bag. Unfortunately, the fuel contractor bag does not have any pockets on the inside to store cutoff wheels. Not that you're supposed to store cutoff wheels in there anyway. It does, however, have 2 pockets on the outside if you need them. There are no cutoff wheels included, so when you pick up your grinder, make sure you pick up some cutoff wheels. The arbor size of this tool is 5/8 of an inch, 11. 11 being the number of threads per inch on the spindle. For brush wheel accessories, 5/8 being the inner cutout of your cutoff wheels. However, the tool can accommodate cutouts of 7/8 of an inch as well. And depending on the thickness of your wheel, you may need to flip this flange nut over. Maximum capacity is 5 inches, and maximum width is 1/4 inch. It's a really nice tool. Looking forward to using it. It doesn't break that quickly. It definitely has some pull when it starts up, but it's pretty powerful. Also notice there's a little shimmy in the guard when it's running, but this is a 5 inch guard and this is a 4.5 inch wheel. Technically you should be using a 4.5 inch guard with a 4.5 inch wheel, and I'll just take it off my other Milwaukee grinder. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.